Hey guys, it's Semret Russom. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving. We did. We ate a lot. Today, as you can see, we're getting ready for Christmas, decorate the house, and we want to share that with you. Thank you for all the love and support. Also, don't forget, if you guys are new, to like and subscribe and hit the bell button. Every time we upload a new video, you don't miss it. We're so excited to have you. And we're getting ready. Are you ready?
Let's do it. I'm excited.
Let's do it. Let's get into the program, you guys. All right, guys. So now I'm going to be teaching Robil some of the words that we're going to be using while we're decorating the tree.
This will help me decorate.
That's right. Are you ready?
Owa.
Owa. Karalika?
Owa.
Are you ready means?
Oh, I know what it means.
Decoration is mitzvah Muslim.
Mitzvah Muslim. Mitzvah Muslim. Thank you.
Tree, Om.
Om.
Yes.
Om.
Om. Ornament, Muslim.
Muslim.
Yes. Light, Lichi.
Litchi.
Lichi.
Litchi.
Stocking, Kalsi.
Kalsi.
So we don't have stocking. The only close to stocking is Kalsi.
Kalsi. Okay,
Yes.
I got it.
Okay. And shop or shopping, Dukwan.
Tukwan. Tukwan.
Yes. Rose, Fiori.
Rose. Fiore.
Yes. Red, Kaye.
Kiye.
Kaye.
Kiye. Kiye. Kiye.
No.
Kiye.
Kaye.
Kiye. Kiye. Is that right?
Kaye.
Kiye. Kiye.
Listen. Kaye.
Kiye.
Yes.
Kiye.
No, kaye. No, kaye. Kaye.
Kaye. Kaye. Kaye West.
Not Kanye.
Kaye. Kaye.
Kaye.
So, red rose is Kaye Fiore.
Yes.
Is that right? Kaye Fiore, red rose.
Red rose. Yes.
Got it.
Wonderful. Green, Catalia.
Catelia.
Yes.
Catelia.
Gold, Worki.
Werki.
Fireplace.
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 I don't know how to say fireplace, so leave us a comment if you know. Nutcracker.
Okay, how do you say nutcracker?
Nutcracker.
Huh?
Nutcracker.
Nutcracker.
Yes.
Nutcracker. So nutcracker is nutcracker.
Yes.
Got it.
You got it?
Nutcracker. Nutcracker. Okay, now I'm going to teach you a word.
You're
Okay.
gonna teach me Tigrinya word?
Owa.
Okay.
Repeat after me.
Okay.
Neushte,
Nushte,
Santa.
Santa.
Neushte,
Nushte,
Santa.
Santa.
Do you want a little Santa?
Thank you.
You're
Yes, it does look like a little Santa. Nushte, Santa.
Yes. Gazepka. Gazepka.
Gazebki.
Gazepki.
All right, you guys. So Robil is gonna tell me what he learned today. What is this?
Kalsi.
Katsi. Your foot. And what about this?
Om. Om.
Om.
Om.
How about this?
Muslim. Ornament. Muslim.
Your foot. Wow, Robil. You're good.
Thank you.
And what do you say thank you though?
Oh, ya anyele.
What is this?
Litchi.
Litchi. Your foot, Robil.
Litchi.
Litchi. Okay, how do you say shop?
Shop Dekwan.
Dukan.
Dekwan.
Good job. All right, so now we're gonna test you on colors.
Colors.
Yes.
How do you say colors?
Hebri.
Hebri.
Yes.
Hebri.
And what color is this?
Catelia.
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 What color is this?
Kaye. 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 Kaye.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And what color is this?
Werki.
Worky.
Werki.
That's right, worky. No for Robela. That's great. Rose.
Rose. Fiore.
Good job. And how do you say red rose?
Kaye Fiore. Red
Right,
rose.
Red rose.
Kaye Fiore. Are you ready for your quiz?
I guess I am.
Okay. What's this?
Santa?
No, in Tigrinya.
In Tigrinya?
What is this?
We don't have Santa, I don't know.
But what? What did I teach you before?
I forgot. Nishte?
Huh?
Santa?
Say it all together.
Nishte Santa.
Oh,
That's what it is.
Nufar.
يغني الليل.
Nufar. All right. Can you teach me some phrases now?
Alright, you guys, so next I'm going to teach Robel some phrases, so it will be helpful when we do the crate. Are you ready?
Oh,
So, higher is la'li.
La'ali.
Yes.
La'ali.
Higher.
Higher.
Lower, tahti.
Ta'ati. Tahati.
Tahti.
Lower.
Nufar.
Tahati.
Yes. Left, tsagam.
Tsagam. Tsagam.
Right, yaman.
Yaman. Jaman. But yep, okay, sorry. Yaman.
Be serious.
Yaman.
Be a good student.
Yaman.
Please put the ornament on the tree. Bejaha mislam saqalo ab'om.
Bejahi.
For me,
Uh-huh.
yes.
Bejahi mislam sikalo ab'om.
Saqaliyo. For me, as a female, you say saqalo is for guys. Saqaliyo
Oh,
is for a female.
okay. Bejahi mislam si alio
Saqaliyo.
alio
Yes.
ab'om.
Yep.
Alright.
Perfect. Okay. Please hang the stocking. Bejaha kalsi saqalo.
Bejaha Kelsey sikalo. Or Bejahi Kelsey sik ayelo.
Saqaliyo.
Sik ayilo. Say it again.
Saqaliyo.
Alio. That good?
Yeah.
Alio.
Good job.
All right. What's next?
Light. Right? Let there be light.
Let there be light. All right.
Let there be light. Lichi yahalwana.
Lichi yahalawena.
Let there be light.
Lichi lahalawena.
Yahalwana.
Lichi yahalawena.
Yes. Nafwa. Bravo, do.
Can I teach you one?
Yes.
Okay. Repeat after me.
Yes.
Na'anai. Repeat after me.
Oh, na'nai.
Na'anai. Nab.
Nab.
Mikiele.
Na'nai na mikiele?
Let's go to Michael's.
Oh, Michael's. Yeah.
They have good decorations.
I was thinking my nephew, Michael.
No, the store.
The store,
Michael's.
Got it. Yeah.
Mikiele.
Na'nai. Mikiele. Robela.
Owa.
Bejaha Muslim abla ali so'allo.
Harai.
Okay. No, la'ali. Tahati. La'ali. La'ali. Tahati. Robela.
Owa.
Kalsi so'allo.
Abe.
No. Yaman.
Yaman?
Yes. No. Absagam.
Absagam.
Tsagam. Yes.
Okay.
Right here?
And then this is my stocking.
Yes, stacking.
Okay.
And Delu, this is yours. Yes.
Delu.
Put it right here.
Right here.
Right here. Put it right here. Right here.
Good job.
Yes.
Nufar.
Nifati. That's yours.
Good job.
Good job, Lilina.
Delu.
Nifati.
Lichi ya Halloween.